Hi and welcome. Now let's complete unwrapping the arm. Let's grab this piece and let's hit slash to isolate it. And we got bevel here applied. Let's apply it and go to solid. I think that would be better. Tap to edit mode and now let's grab these edges. Alt shift click here and select this entire edge loop. So when you grab all of these, just hit Q and mark seam and that's cool. Now what we can do, let's see what we can do. Alt click, maybe I can cut this area and just deselect this edge from here. Hold Control and grab this right here maybe, and this one too. Cool. Q and mark seam and Alt click here. Q mark seam. That's cool. Now let's see what else we can do here. Hit A, select everything, and here hit U, and that's cool. It's unwrapped. Let's check the result right here. His yen go down and cool. Let's hit tab. Let's hit slash again and let's select something else. Maybe this one. Isolate it. Apply the bevel. Tap to edit mode. Let's alt click this one. Convert to seam. Alt click this edge right here. Or maybe this one in the middle. Alt shift this one. Alt shift click here. Alt shift click here and select this entire edge loop and convert it to seam, and from this side maybe alt click and then let's deselect this one too. Q mark seam, hit A, select everything, and here hit EU to unwrap, and there we go. Cool. Let's give it the checker. Sorry, select this, add the checker, go to preview, and there we go. Let's hit slash. Let's start with this piece right here. Hit slash to isolate it, apply the bevel, tap to edit mode, alt click this, alt shift click this, convert to seam, alt click this, convert to seam, and the same thing for this side, convert to seam. And let's grab this maybe, hold Ctrl, grab this one, mark seam, and the same thing for this side. Grab this one, hold Ctrl, grab this, convert to seam, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and it is unwrapped. And it is tell you there is a problem with the scale. If you want, tap to object mode, Ctrl A, apply the scale, and then tap to edit mode, hit A, and here hit U again, and that's it. And because we apply the scale, we have a problem with the shading, so we can add weighted normal to fix the problem and just hit apply. After that, hit slash. I think when I apply the scale, I got problem with the normal. It's flipped as I think. Let's check this, open this list and go to face orientation, and yeah, as you see, we got a problem with this piece and also with this one right here. So I'm going to select this first and tap to edit mode, hit A, select everything, and then shift N to recalculate the normal. And let's select this one right here, tap to edit mode, hit A, and then shift N to correct the normal for this piece. And now we don't have, maybe just this one. I need to fix the normal of this piece. Tab, hit A, shift N, and select this piece. Tab, hit A, shift N, and there we go. Everything now is nice. So I just I need to bring back, I turn off the face orientation, and I need to add checker for this piece and switch to preview. What I will do is I'm going to take the same information from this piece right here and give it to this one. So let's see how can we do that. Select this one and hold shift, grab this, Control L and link transform UV maps to transform the UV from this to this, but that maybe it's not gonna work. Let's see where is that. Let's apply the scale for this piece, Control A, apply the scale, and let's do that again. Grab this, hold shift, grab this one, Control L, Alright, so it seems like we have seems like that's not gonna happen. So let's create the UV manually. Grab this, isolate it, switch to solid, tap to edit mode, and maybe I need to apply the bevel. I think because we don't apply the bevel, let's apply it right here and let's hit slash. Let's try that again. Grab this, hold here, grab this one, Control L. I think now it's working. Let's add this, give it checker. Why that's not having? Let's do that again. Well, it doesn't work. Alright, let's hit slash to isolate it. Tap to edit mode and let's add a seam here. Seam here. Seam right here. And right here. Q, mark seam. Grab this edge and hold convert to seam, and this one convert to seam, hit A and here hit U to unwrap it, and there we go. Now if we go to preview, everything nice and clean. Hit slash, select this, isolate it, go to solid, apply the bevel with 2 segments and tap to edit mode for this piece. Alt click here, Alt shift click here, the same thing here and here, and Q mark seam. So we added seams here. Let's select maybe this side, Alt shift grab this, mark seam, hit A and here hit U to unwrap it, and there we go. Let's hit tab, let's give it checker, hit go to preview, and there we go. That's nice. Let's select this piece, isolate it, go to solid, apply the bevel, tap to edit mode, Alt click here, here, Alt shift click here, the same thing here, mark seam, and this one right here, Alt click, mark seam, and let's add a cut maybe right here from this. Alright, maybe should from here, hold control, grab this, right here, sorry, yeah, right here, Q, mark seam. That's cool. Hit A, select everything, and here hit U to unwrap it, and tab, give it checker, go to preview, and there we go. It's nice. Hit slash. Let's grab this one, select it, apply the bevel, tap to edit, select these edges, Alt click, Alt shift click here, and this one right here, this one, mark seam, grab this, Alt, mark seam, and let's add maybe an edge right here. Let's deselect these just like that, and mark seam and hit A and here hit U to unwrap it. Tab, add the checker, go to preview, let's see the result. Very nice. Hit slash, and we need to repeat the same process here. Let's grab these, Control A, apply the scale, and I think the normal is flipped for this piece. As you see, there is a variation in the color, so grab it, tap to edit mode, hit A, shift N to recalculate the normal, and that's it. Well, select this piece, isolate it, apply the bevel, tap to edit, Alt click here, Alt click here, here, mark seam, and let's add seam right here, and one right here, mark seam, hit A and here hit U to unwrap it, and cool. Give it the checker, go to preview. Nice. Let's select this one, isolate this one, tap to edit, or sorry, just apply the bevel, tap to edit mode, Alt click here and here as well, mark seam, grab this edge, mark seam, hit A, here hit U to unwrap it, and there we go. Give it the checker, the same technique. So you got the idea, you got everything now, you know what I'm about to do. The same thing for this one, Alt click here, this one as well, and this mark seam, grab this mark seam, and let's cut this mark seam, hit A and here hit U for unwrap, and there we go. Let's add checker, hit slash, grab this, apply bevel, tap to edit, Alt click this, Alt Shift click here, the same thing here, here, mark seam. Now is everything cool? Alt click here, mark seam, and maybe maybe I can grab this side, grab this, and grab this one, mark seam, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and it's unwrapped perfectly. Give it checker. That's cool. Slash. Now it's time to grab this one, isolate it. Let's hit Y to see the subdivision. It's cool. Let's apply the subdivision. I don't want it anymore. Tap to edit mode. Alt click here to grab this entire edge loop. Q mark seam. Maybe I can grab this edge right here, and maybe this one either. Mark seam to cut this area, and what I need is alt click here to separate this piece, mark seam, and alt click right here, mark seam. And what we should do next, maybe I can grab this, alt click and alt click here and here as well, and cut this area. Or if you want, yeah, I'm going to cut this and grab this one and this one as well and cut these. Yeah, I think that would be better. Cool. Now what we need to do is here the same technique, mark seam, mark seam here, mark seam here, and here let's see where should we add a seam. Maybe can add seam right here and right here as well. Yeah, that will work. So I just add seams here. Let's see, let's make the unwrap and let's see what will happen. Hit U. Let's give it a time. Well, what we got here, let's see what's we got here. Let's add seam right here to complete this. Hit A and here hit U again. Let's see what will happen. I think it's unwrapped perfectly. I don't know. Let's tap. Let's give it checker and go to preview. Let's see if there any distortion. Yeah, we got some distortion right here. Yeah, we got some distortion, a bit of distortion. So tap, go to solid, tab again. Maybe I can cut this area. What will happen if I do that? From this, hold control and grab this. Q mark seam. Hit A and here hit U again. And let's tab and let's go to preview. Now we just made the distortion a bit less than the previous result. Tab to edit. Maybe I can add seam right here as well, from this line to this one. Mark seam to cut this area, and maybe can tap to it. Sorry, hit A and again let's hit U. Yeah, that would be better. So go to solid and let's check the face orientation. Yeah, cool. Hit slash and we finished from this piece. So now we got the finger. So I'm going to unwrap all of these fingers in the next tutorial because I don't want this tutorial to be so long. So see you in the next tutorial.